apply the custom shapes here. I will try the different options. Let's add a paint there. Keep making the designs as well. I will use that designs. Make the picture here. So let's make the changes again. We have that diamond designs. Use the paint here.